What if I told you two docks can look identical today, but 20 years from now, one is still standing while the other has already been rebuilt twice? Today we're comparing every major dock frame material: wood, steel, aluminum, composite, and fiberglass. We'll cover lifespan, maintenance, strength, corrosion, cost, repairability, and best leg conditions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which frame makes the most sense for your waterfront investment. Let's dive in. Why the frame matters. Most people shop for decking, the boards, the color, the railings, but none of those support the dock. The frame does. The frame handles dead load, which is the actual weight of the whole dock. Live load is what you add to the dock when you use it: the people, the chairs, the barbecues, the boats. Waves, ice, boats, storms, years of expansion and contraction. A weak frame eventually causes sagging, loose decking, leaning docks, expensive repairs. Think of the frame as the foundation of your entire dock. Wood has been used for centuries. It has the advantages of being inexpensive, easy to build, widely available, and simple repairs. But wood has several enemies: moisture, ultraviolet light, rot, marine borers, termites, freeze-thaw cycles. Eventually wood weakens. Pressure-treated lumber helps considerably, but it doesn't stop aging. Typical lifespan: 20 to 40 years, depending on climate and maintenance. Steel is incredibly strong. Commercial marinas often use it because of its massive load capacity. It has the advantages of highest strength, excellent rigidity, handles heavy equipment, large boats, wide spans. Disadvantages are rust, corrosion, heavy weight, installation costs, protective coatings eventually wear away, and saltwater accelerates corrosion dramatically. Galvanizing helps, but maintenance is ongoing. Aluminum has become one of the most popular residential dock materials. Why? Because it doesn't rust. It's lightweight, strong, easy to install, little maintenance, excellent for removable docks. It naturally forms an oxide layer that protects the metal. However, aluminum isn't as stiff as steel. Very large docks require engineered designs. Composite structural systems continue gaining popularity. These engineered materials combine fiberglass resins and composite fibers. They have the advantage of no rot, no rust, chemical resistance, excellent longevity, low maintenance, and disadvantages are higher initial cost, limited manufacturers, and they may require specialized engineering. Fiberglass structural members are extremely corrosion resistant. They're perfect for saltwater, chemical exposure, marinas, and high humidity. The benefits are very low maintenance, excellent lifespan, non-conductive, lightweight, doesn't rust, doesn't rot, and the drawbacks are higher purchase price, less common, and requires experienced installers. So with the side-by-side comparison, relative performance by common residential dock priorities means the higher is better. This is an illustrative comparison based on general material characteristics. Wood wins on affordability. It has the lowest cost. Steel wins on strength. It has excellent strength compared to the other four. Aluminum wins on maintenance, and it's very good on all but the cost. Composite offers long-term durability, except for the cost. Fiberglass offers exceptional corrosion resistance and longevity, but at a premium price, a very high cost. So which one should you buy? Choose wood because it's the lowest budget. It's good for do-it-yourself construction, best for freshwater, and accepts periodic maintenance. Choose steel if you have a commercial marina, heavy equipment, large boats, and maximum structural capacity. Choose aluminum if you have a residential dock, want minimal maintenance, seasonal installation, and a long-term value. Choose composite for frames if you have premium waterfront homes, long service life, low maintenance, and corrosion concerns. And then fiberglass is best for saltwater, coastal properties, extreme corrosive environments, and maximum longevity. Your dock frame determines how your investment performs for decades. The right material can reduce maintenance, improve safety, and lower lifetime ownership costs. Rather than focusing only on the decking you see every day, invest in the structural frame beneath it. A durable frame is the foundation of a dock that will serve your family for years to come. If this comparison helped you make a more informed decision, please like the video, subscribe for more boating and dock building content, and let us know in the comments which frame would you choose and why. And if you'd like a copy of the blog for this video, just send an email to PJ at Pennyville Docks with the title of the video, and it will come to you.